Hello, this is Mr. Grooms, and welcome to your Heredity and Genetics C-Layer Assessment. I'll be following through the questions with you in this reading sample, and you can watch and read along with me as you answer your questions. Number 1. Which is a tool that is used to predict genetic crosses? A. Slide rule. B. A tally sheet. C. A Punnett square. D. A Venn diagram. Number 2. Which of these describes how an organism looks? A. Its phenotype. B. Its probability. C. Its zygosicity. Or D. Its hybrid. Number 3. One cat carries heterozygous long-haired traits, capital S, lower S, and its mate carries homozygous short-haired traits, lowercase, lowercase. Use a Punnett square to determine the probability of one of their offspring having short hair. Is it A, 25%, B, 50%, C, 75%, or D, 100%? Number 4. In a certain species of pine trees, short needles, capital S, are dominant to long needles, lowercase s. According to the Punnett square, what is the probability of an offspring having short needles? Is it A, 50%, B, 25%, C, 75%, or is it D, 100%? As I move to the top of the next column, I'd just like to remind you, if you are listening to this, you may pause it and stop it at any time, and if you ever need to, you can go back so you can listen to previous questions. Alright, back onto the test. Number 5. What would be the resulting offspring of a homozygous dominant parent crossed with a homozygous recessive parent? Is it A, purebred, B, hybrid, C, homozygous dominant offspring, or D, homozygous recessive offspring? Number 6. Which of these is an organism that produces the same traits in a given in every generation? Is it A, purebred, B, hybrid, C, pea plant, or D, chromosome? Number 7. Black fur, capital B, in guinea pigs is dominant over white fur, lowercase b. Find the probability of a black offspring in the cross, lowercase b, crossed with lowercase b, lowercase b. Is it A, 100%, B, 50%, C, 0%, or D, you cannot tell from the information? Number 8. A cross of a black chicken, capital B, with a white chicken, capital W, produces all speckled offspring, capital B, capital W. This type of inheritance is known as A, incomplete dominance, B, polygenic inheritance, C, codominance, or D, multiple alleles. Number 9. When a plant breeder crossed 2 red roses, 78% of the offspring had red flowers and 22% had white flowers. According to these results, the allele for red flowers is most likely A, recessive, B, sex-linked, C, dominant, or D, codominant. Number 10. Tracy has 3 brothers. One of Tracy's brothers has sickle cell anemia, a disease caused by a recessive allele. She, her parents, and the other children do not have it. If Tracy's parents have another child, what is the chance that the child will have sickle cell anemia? Is it A, 0%, B, 25%, C, 50%, or D, 75%? Number 11. In pepper plants, the allele for hot flavor, capital H, is dominant to the allele for mild flavor, lowercase h. A farmer crosses a homozygous dominant plant with a recessive mild plant. What percentage of the offspring from this cross will have hot flavor? Is it A, 25%, B, 50%, C, 75%, or D, 100%? Number 12. If you cross a red plant with a white plant and the offspring is pink, what is that called? Is it A, incomplete dominance, B, polygenic inheritance, C, codominance, or D, multiple alleles? Number 13. True or false? In codominance, both phenotypes of the parents are expressed in the offspring independently. But in incomplete dominance, the offspring exhibit a phenotype that is mixed between the two parents. A, true, B, false. Number 14. What type of allele will be expressed if both dominant and recessive alleles are present for a given trait? A, segregated, B, recessive, C, autosomal, or D, dominant? And your last question of the day. Using the chart below, what is the probability that a hamster will have black, fine hair? Is it A, 2 in 16, or 1/8, B, 4 out of 16, or 1/4, C, 1 out of 16, or D, 8 out of 16, 1/2? All right, good luck on this test, guys, and I hope you all do well.